I'm craving something sweet after our delicious takeout food crawl in New York City Chinatown. So today, we're going to find the best desserts and snacks starting from $1. Let's go! Our first stop is M-Star Cafe for a quick pick-me-up to start the day. M-Star Cafe is a Hong Kong-style cafe that has an extensive menu and their breakfast specials are a steal. But today, we're here for their milk tea. Rich and creamy, it's got a deep caramelly color with a strong tea flavor. Perfect balance of tea and milk. Highly recommend.
It's so good. They have the best lights up. The tea taste is so strong. Craving satisfied.
Gum Hing Coffee Shop.
This is actually the first time I've ever been here because the first time I tried this, one of my coworkers bought it for me. Ooh, look at that sexy sponge cake.
This is a mom and pop shop that makes the tastiest and most popular sponge cakes you can find in Chinatown. Look at how cute their decor and designs are. I was told by the owner that they collect these little plaques from their vacation spots.
Oh my god, this is so funny. I love this.
Their sponge cakes are always baked fresh and their flavors change depending on the day. I was only 40 minutes early for the ube sponge cake.
I legit thought I was gonna be here for like maybe 5 minutes tops. But the owner was so nice. We chatted for at least 30 minutes. It was just so nice to meet him and his son. They're such a nice family. I think everybody should come check out Gum Hing to get these sponge cakes. Yeah.
The texture of their sponge cakes is just so soft and fluffy with a slight crisp on the outside. These Dango is very, very popular. It's one of the most well-known sponge cakes in Chinatown. Of course, so soft. I believe he said that it was a dozen for $10. But yeah, I got a dozen of it so I can try them all. And some days they said that there's special flavors. I mixed and matched the flavors and tried the original and butterscotch. But my favorite might have to be the green tea. Next up, Cakey. Cakey Modern Cakes is the home of the New York City Jiggly Cheesecake. They have 2 locations and you best bet that whenever I'm near either of them, I order their ube jiggly cheesecake, which is $2 more than their original. Their cheesecakes are the fluffiest, softest cloud you will ever bite into. You know what? I think I'm gonna change my way of eating cake to chopsticks because something about it makes it taste so good. Yummy. It's super soft inside and you can really taste the ube flavor come through in each bite. You should always just eat your desserts with your chopsticks. Shopping break! Here's my favorite spot to go to find Southeast Asian groceries. They have a ton of ingredients that are hard to find in other supermarkets, such as these Indonesian shrimp chips, which are the best, Vietnamese coffee, different Southeast Asian fruit syrups that you could use for bubble tea. They have a huge wall of extracts including pandan and lychee, and ube extract.
Okay, the Dango. I'm gonna take one from the bag. I'm getting it. Oh, wonder what you're. Oh my lord, this looks so good. I feel like I keep on going back, but I kinda want to try this. This is why I love this spot, because they always have like randomness and I don't know, it's just like so much fun to shop at.
Tang! I love Hong Kong style cafes. Could you tell? That's their business hours. They have some bomb dishes here, but today we're here for their iced milk tea. Trying the Tang milk tea. Their milk teas are strong and rich in flavor, which makes it such a great pick-me-up.
Would recommend.
This is also a mom and pop shop that I've been visiting ever since I was a little girl. I always come here to pick up some beef jerky for my mom because this was her all-time favorite. It puts the happiest smile on her face whenever I surprise her with a pouch of this jerky. You order by the quarter pound and they weigh it for you. Their jerkies are sweet and tender with the option of spicy. The spicy moo moo! Or is this? I don't even know. I think I swapped the packages, but whatever. It's not too spicy, just a little bit of kick. Gonna try the other moo moo one. Smells like beef jerky. I personally like the spicy one just because it has that extra kick. But this one is really good too if you don't eat spicy. This is my mom's favorite beef jerky in the world. So whenever it's like Mother's Day or her birthday, I would go and pick up a pound of dehydrated meats for her. And this place, they run out super quick, so we went extra early today, but we didn't realize they open at 12. We got there around like 10 o'clock.
And our last dessert spot is Ali Mama for their mochi donuts. This little donut shop hands down has the best mochi donuts I've ever had. It has the perfect balance of fluff and chewiness and come in 5 different flavors. They also have mochi donut holes, but I prefer the full-size donuts because biting into the donut is such an unexplainably satisfying experience.
Ali Mama, in my opinion, does the best mochi donut that I've ever tried. Super chewy, really taste the mochi, and sweet, savory, all at the same time. I just love this so much. And I always end up getting half a dozen there, even though I shouldn't be eating that many donuts, but oh my god. Everybody that I've told about this donut are hooked because it's so good. I got the matcha, the sweet and salty one, and then onyx.
Craving satisfied! Thank you so much for watching. This video is not sponsored by any of these stores.
I just really want to support all the local businesses and show you where to get all the good food. Please support all the small businesses. They really need your help right now.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more recipes, and turn on the notification to find out when the next video is coming out. Let me know in the comments below what you want to try.
You don't want to try them all, but they're delicious.
Enjoy! On a fruit crawl. Come on, let's go. This is so awkward. Try. So many bumps. Oh my god, I'm so shiny. Cambodian noodle. Damn it.